What's up guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video we are gonna copy a GitHub repository to your local computer. I will tell you step by step process. So first of all I need to go to the GitHub repository. This is my GitHub repository, easy accounting laravel projects. So it's my accounting software. It's already in the GitHub repository. So what I will do, I want to download all the files in my local PC. That's why I write the thumbnail, mm, how I want to clone my all codes in the local computer. So what I have to do, you can see there is the green color code button on there, and just copy the URL. So if I click on the code button, you can see there is a three options like HTTPS, SSH, GitHub, CLI. So what I have to do, I have to copy the URL. You can see this is the URL, and you can see there is another option to download zip open with the GitHub desktop. So I will use this URL to copy. So just make sure you copy the URL. And then now what I will do, now go back to your local computer and open the, you can see I have already installed the git project. So if you are using the Windows, you can see there is if I right click, you can see there is the option git guli here, git bash here. So what I have to do, I want to download my project in the specific directory, just like a because of my project is in the PHP, so I will take it in the jam folder. You can select any folder where you want to download, because I am going to select the HTTP docs, and I think I already created the folder. You can see I have created the folder is my soft. So I can right click here the git bash here. So I will write here, and I will just write the git clone, and you can see I already copied the URL from the GitHub, so I will paste it here, and I will put just enter button, so it will start to download the all files and folders. So I think it will take a few minutes to download. You can see it's already started the download. This is the facility for the Git, and if you you can push also, you can clone, and you can merge, you can create the branch, and I will tell you details about the Git Git in the next tutorial. And this was the tutorial. You can see it's I think it's almost 94% download. uh, let's see after finish the download, and you can see it's already downloaded the all folder. You see the accounting laravel web, it was my project, and it's updating the all files. Okay, all right, so it's done. Updating files 100% done. So that was my location. You can see my all files is here, and that was the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye bye.